after he checked his level and he's secure with the window. He has to fasten it. These windows come with their own screws. You want to install the starter strip by placing the nails about every 16 inches. So you're going to stop, make sure. I think you can see the way we trimmed out this window here.
Here we are with the installation of vinyl cedar shake siding. As you notice, everything has to be
some type of architectural art like this. See, so much can be done with vinyl siding. You just need the right.
Yeah.
Five centers, New American construction. This is the garage. And same thing. All of the existing siding. The garage is already insulated.
I'm here with Andy and Mary Beth Thompson in Glen Rock, New Jersey. We just finished installing All Sides Prodigy siding. And guys, what can you say about the installation? How do you like New America Construction service?